Well, the next speaker is a novelist, a writer, an author. He's a member of a party, deputy leader of a party, the Catalan Platform for Catalonia. It has 67 councillors. Very good. He's also a relative of General Franco.
But in Spain you have two kinds, mostly three kinds of immigration. Chinese people all over the world. But in Spain you have, in the Mediterranean coast you have Muslim people. Coming from two countries, Morocco and Pakistan. But here you have not Muslim people. You have South American, Indian people. The point is that they speak Spanish, they are Catholic, but they are a big problem. So it's not a question of religion, it's a question of race. Between 1996 and today, we came from 0% to 60%. The word for this is not immigration but invasion. We need to fight together to keep our countries white, because if our countries are not white, there are no more our countries and there are no more our Europe.